Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about one of my go-to input activities called Listen, Draw, Write. And this can also be used with distance learning. I don't remember where I learned about this activity, so if you know who invented it, let me know. Students can do this activity on a piece of notebook paper, but I have a free resource on Teachers Pay Teachers that is a template for the students to use, so be sure to check that out in the description box. In this video, I'll show you how to do the activity using my graphic organizer. This activity is solo prep. Before class, simply prepare 5 sentences in the target language. These sentences can be from calendar talk, card talk, a one-word image, a class story, or from wherever you want. In class, give each student a copy of this handout, available free on my Teachers Pay Teachers. Say your first sentence aloud. I repeat it twice. Give students 1 minute or so to draw a representation of the sentence in the left-hand column. Repeat with all the sentences. For example, if the student hears hace mucho calor hoy, it's hot today in Spanish, they draw a picture showing the meaning of the sentence. I tell the students, if I'm giving you a full minute to draw, make it a nice picture with some effort. After all the sentences have been stated aloud and students are done drawing, project all the sentences in mixed up order. Students then need to write the correct sentence next to the corresponding drawing in the right-hand column. To make it more challenging, don't project the sentences at all and see if students can write them from memory using the drawing as an aid. This might be better for intermediate or advanced learners. This activity can easily be done with distance learning. For synchronous learning, simply say the sentences over Zoom while your students draw. My students have iPads, so they can draw on there, but if your students don't have iPads, they can draw on a piece of paper and turn it into your preferred learning system. Or asynchronously, make a video of yourself saying the sentences, and then your students can write and draw on their own time and turn it back into your preferred learning system. Have you guys ever done an activity like this? Be sure to download my free Teachers Pay Teachers Listen, Draw, Write template, and we'll see you soon. Adios.